Hello everyone and welcome back to Kayla's Corner. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be bringing you an install and review on this bomb wig, bomb highlight wig, bomb blonde highlight wig that was sent to me by UNICE Hair Company. You guys, she's giving Beyonce, okay? Look at the Beyonce, okay? If you two want to know how you can give Beyonce, you guys know that all you got to do is just stay tuned. Bada bing, bada boom. We back with another wig review. Not sure how much talking I'm going to do because it's really similar to all of my other installs. So I'll be popping in here or there when there's something that differs. So yeah, just starting off with the wig cap. Want to lay the wig cap down. Going to apply the foundation to it, cut it, etc. So this is what the inside of the cap looks like. It is a T part, so the lace is in the shape of a T. 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back.
Come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
So when I put this wig on, I did not know what to think. I was looking at myself like, girl, what did you get yourself into? Why did you cut this wig? But trust the process, as y'all can see from the intro. This mug is tight. Ooh.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you.
Believe it or not, I really struggled with this wig, and I believe it was because of the cap size. I could not pull the lace up to where it needed to be because it just wasn't moving. I would pull one side, then the other side would come loose. This wig is too small for my head. So what I'm about to do is make this mug a closure, okay? because this is not about to stress me. So, like I said, this was not about to stress me out. So, I cut off the extra lace and basically turned this wig into a closure. I put the 2 front combs in my head, which allowed the wig to be secured. Fits much better. It feels better. Moral of the story is, my head is too big for a frontal.
All day long. Get me underway. You can feel my flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Slowly but surely, I'm really getting better with my edges. What I've learned is less is more. You really don't need a lot to make a lot. You just gotta know how to swoop them. To lay my edges, I'm using the black bottle of the Got To Be.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since
Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I was low-key scared when I first put this wig on. And I was like, I don't know if she's gonna work out. But she turned out so freaking cute. This video is sponsored by UNICE Hair. Obviously, inside of the box came the wig. Some lashes come in the box. A little headband comes in the box. And another wig cap comes in the box. This is UNICE's Highlight Honey Blonde 13 by 5 by 1 T-part lace front wig. The color is TL412 and it is 150% density. I originally got this wig in 16 inches, but I did cut it. I was already skeptical about the color of it, and I didn't want it to be too long and doing too much because I be trying to venture out with color, but I'm still like a little skeptical or like a little hesitant to wearing color. So I was like, I'm gonna cut it in the bob. And as you can see, it turned out so freaking cute. It looks really, really natural. Like the curl on it looks really natural. Really love the colors. Like the color, like I said, it looks really natural. I think they did a good job of like blending the color and things like that. The hair is really soft, so there's no complaints there. The things that I did not like about this wig is that the wig cap When I took it out the bag, I already knew that the wig cap, the size of the wig cap looked so small. And I was like, how is my head gonna fit in this wig? And as y'all can see, I was struggling putting that mug on. So what I ended up doing is just cutting the lace. So basically I made it into like a closure in a sense. So I don't have a lace right here. It was just doing too much. It wasn't sticking. I couldn't pull it up to put the wig on. When I was pulling it, I could hear the lace ripping. I was like, no, I'm not doing it. So that's how this wig is on my head. Other than that, no complaints. I didn't have to bleach the knots because the hair is blonde. I didn't pluck at all because it's only 1 inch of parting space or lace space. So there's not much plucking that you can do. Overall, I really do think that T-part wigs are very, very, very beginner friendly. But to me, I don't got time for the 13 by... I don't got time for the 13s, okay? The 13s. I need a 5 or 4. It didn't take me long to put this wig on, y'all. I laid the edges and she was done. So I think your girl is getting better at wigs. I am going to cut this cap if I can. Maybe I should just leave it alone. There's more things that I like about the wig than things that I don't like. But yeah, I just want y'all to get into this wig one more time. Okay? Get into her one more time. Very, very, very nice wig. I've never gotten a wig from UNICE where the hair quality was bad. So I know that they always gonna hit in that spot, okay? So just a little trial and error with the lace, and I made it work for me. So yes. All right, you guys, so that's going to conclude this video. As always, I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see and talk to y'all on my next one.